Okay, in this video I'm gonna talk about the azimuths and bearing angles. And this is easier to calculate or to name. Usually, the first they're gonna talk us about the azimuth angles, and the azimuth angles they call azimuth goes from north all around to 360 degree. That means from 0 degrees all around to 360. That's they call azimuth angles, okay? So always go from north all around from 0 degrees to 360. And this is east, this is south, and this is west. Always from 0 to 360. For example, I'll give you one example over here. This is the north. And if they give you this angle, and this is 40 degree, and they ask for your azimuth will be this angle, okay? Always from north all around. So how you find this? You just go, and you know this is 90 degrees, this is 180 degrees, and this is 270 degrees, and this is 360 degrees, and this is from 0 all the way around, make a 360. If you have this, and they ask you for your azimuth, so your azimuth will be 180, okay, minus the angle that I give to you. So that means that this is 0, this is 1, that's 4, and this is 1. So your azimuth will be 140. Okay? So your first will be 140 from 0 all around. I have another example over here. Supposedly that they give you, this is north, okay, west, east, and south. They give you this angle over here of 30 degrees, for example. And they ask you for your azimuth from all the way down from north here. So how was your azimuth? What will be your azimuth? Your azimuth will be 270, which is this, minus 30. So just go here to 70 minus 30, that will be 4, and this is 2. So your azimuth over here will be equal to 240 degrees. I give you another example over here. Okay, they give you this angle from here to here, 35 degrees, for example. And they ask for your azimuth. This is north, and this always go all around your azimuth. So they ask for your azimuth. So your azimuth, you can subtract 360, which is all around 360. No, sorry, I'm sorry. No, that's not the way. So you have here 270. Here is 270. You just add 270 and 35. So your azimuth will be 270 plus 35. This will be 5. This is 10, 305. So your azimuth here will be 305. 305. And this is the definition for the azimuth angles, okay? Now the bearing, okay? The bearing is another difference between. So the bearing, this is north, south, east, and west. So this is the northeast quadrant. This is southeast quadrant, southwest quadrant, and northwest quadrant. So your bearing always go from north, the first letter, to east, okay? Northeast. And here always go from south to east. And this one always go from south to west. This is the angle here, your angle. And this will be your northwest, okay? Always. So I'm gonna give you some example of this. You have your cardinal axis, and they give you this angle all the way around the 150, and they ask for your bearing. So what will be your bearing here? The sun. And where will the first letter? South. And the second? East. Southeast. How you find this? Well, you subtract 180 minus 150. They give you 3. So your bearing will be, this angle here, will be south 30 degree east. Southeast. Okay? Another example over here. Remember, from north and from south. They give you this, okay? And they give you this angle, 30 degrees, for example. Remember, this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. So you need to know which quadrant. This quadrant over here, southwest. And this will be your bearing, okay? So your bearing then will be 90 minus 30 degree. That will 0, and this will be 6. So your bearing will be south 60 degrees west. Okay, so another example over here. They give you this north, south, east, and west. They give you this angle over here. Okay, and I call this 290. Now I can call azimuth if you want it, because we know definition of the azimuth. So they ask for the bearing. The bearing will be this. In which quadrant? Northwest. So now I have all around 290 to this, and I know that this is 360. I just subtract 360 minus 290. This will be 0, and this will be 7, this will be nothing. Okay? So now your quadrant is northwest, so your angle will be north 70 degree west. Okay? I'll give you another example. Remember, this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. If they give you this line over here and they give you this angle of 35 degrees, what will your bearing? So your bearing will be in which quadrant? You look over here in the quadrant northwest. Northwest. So northwest. And you don't need to do anything because they already give this, so you just put the letter there, north and west. It will be north 35 west degree, okay? So that's what they call the bearing. Remember, the bearing always go from south or north, southeast, southwest, or northeast, northwest. And back to azimuth, the azimuth always work from north all around. Okay, that's the difference between the azimuth and the bearing. And I hope you understood what I'm trying to tell you and the difference between the azimuth and the bearing angles. And Thank you for watching my video, and I see you the next video. Thank you.